Hey there, Fred here. Just wanted to quickly ask that if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Alright, so I don't know how good the sound is going to be, but I'm on a GoPro now. And let's give this thing a try. So I'm going to go down here, press the on button. Alright, we've got a solid blue light, which means we're basically good to go. So let's give this a try. 1 foot on. Alright, so the motor is engaged. I'm going kind of backwards, so I'm just trying to turn around here. So I'm angling forward. Whoa! Ah! Slow down. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna. Oh. So see, that's what I was talking about. I'll show you how to get off. Hopefully safely. So I'm up, and so right now, if I lean either way, see how the wheel wants me to go forward or backward, and you can see how I can pivot too. Ah! So let me see if I can dismount without killing myself. Alright, so I'm stopped. Then you lift up. Ah. It takes a little getting used to. Hang on, let me try this again. Balancing, riding. Alright, I come to a stop. Heel up. See how the motor shut off? And that's how you get off of it gracefully. It's easier said than done. That is a lot harder than it looks. So lean back. So I'm wearing my mountain bike helmet, and I'm wearing these snowboarding wrist guards, so that if I fall I don't hurt myself too badly. And I certainly recommend at a minimum wrist guards and a helmet. Though knee pads and probably elbow pads aren't a bad idea. I've just been taking it very slow so that I don't hurt myself, but probably a good idea. So the Onewheel can go off-road. One thing I've found is that pavement is far and away the easiest, and the smoother the ground, the better. At least right now in spring, where we've gotten a lot of rain and there's a lot of melt, the ground's really soft, and so in my yard, the few times I've tried, I've fallen every single time. So I don't recommend riding on a lawn or something, at least until you get a little bit better at it. But pavement, I mean, it's super smooth and a lot of fun. Starting and stopping. So I'm leaning back and I stopped. I lean forward, pick up speed. Keep in mind I'm in beginner mode. I'm in beginner mode, so it's a little slower than if I was in advanced. But basically, slow down, you lean back, and if you keep leaning, you actually start going the other way. Oh, that was close. But see those fangs I was talking about? Those actually protected me. Oh, lawn. Lean back. Ah! Oh! So that goes to show that dismounting is a little harder than it looks. But this thing is pretty easy to maneuver, pretty easy to stop, go the other way. Oh. Still learning. Now the question, is the Onewheel something I should get? I almost just ran into the Mini. I should probably watch where I'm going. So definitely I want to get one. At $1,800, that's kind of steep for me. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep an eye out for a used one, and I definitely think I'm gonna get one. They make a smaller model. They make a $900 one called the Pint, which is smaller, but I've got pretty big feet. I've got size 12 feet, and I just don't think I would fit. I mean, right now, my feet are like pretty much the size of the foot pads, and there's even a little bit of overhang. So I don't think I could fit on the smaller one. Plus the wheel's a little narrower. I've heard that it's more responsive because it's smaller, but it also is a little more tippy. And stability at my size, height, and weight makes sense. But I mean, this thing's a blast. So yeah, I'm gonna get one. I just need to find the right used one, and there are a bunch of good Facebook groups for that. So if it's something that interests you, definitely check it out. But until next time, thanks.